Welcome back to the channel. Happy Star Wars Day, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this new video. I'm gonna show you our new droid. Harley, what are you doing in here? Are you hanging out with the droids because it's Star Wars Day? He's not amused. Be nice, he's just a little guy. So here's our Baby Yoda, or the child from the Mandalorian, that we 3D printed, and there's a video on my channel all about that if you want to see. And then we have our two bb-8s. So this one is running, this one is static, and then we have the battle droid, which I love because I worked really hard on it, and I just think he's awesome. And then this is another one that I worked on. So we actually shaped all of these circles ourselves, which was really hard. And that's why it doesn't fit together very well, because it's not perfect. But the thing I love about this one is that it is signed by Brian Herring, who is the puppeteer for bb-8 in the movies. So we will forever keep this little guy. This one is 3D printed and running. So you can see it's much smoother than the center board. But you know what? That's what it takes sometimes, is like trial and error, doing different things, and just having fun with them. So we must have tried for like 2 or 3 days to find a name. Like, we could not think of a name for this droid. We kept going with like BB something, BB this, BB that, and nothing really fit. So here's a little picture of the concept that we had for our new droid. The new droid's name is bb-8, and we came up with that because what if we could spell a name within the name? So bb-8 kind of spells Zoe. So that's what her name is. Her name is Zoe. So here are some of her panels, circles that we have done, and then some of the inside. So you guys can see what the inside of the dome looks like. Okay, in the comments below, tell me what Star Wars movie you are watching right now at this very instant, and what's your favorite scene in that movie. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!